Hello. There are many definitions of leadership, and I really like to simplify it. Leadership is all about leading by example and leading the way, because people cannot be what they cannot see. Leadership isn't telling people what to do and spoon-feeding them without allowing them to use their brain. The brain is like a muscle. If you never use it, you will lose it. If you have ever wondered why people don't move until you tell them to move, it is because the culture in the company is fear-based and has created a co-dependency between the manager and the worker. If there is no initiative or ownership, it's a signal that something has to change. Today, I want to give you a mental strategy that is super simple, but often not that easy to use. If you are a manager or supervisor, I want you to play stupid when you speak with your team members. This isn't easy to use because in school we learn that we have to demonstrate how smart we are by answering all the questions. Please let go of this limiting belief. I want you to ask questions and let go of proving how smart you are, which will allow people to use their brain and it will give them a voice. Isn't it true that nobody knows better how to improve the job than the people who are actually doing it? Here's an example when somebody asks you as the manager a question and what you can answer. I'm not sure. What do you think? Your opinion is important. You are the expert at what you do. Then shut up and listen what the person has to say. At first, it may take some patience because people have to get used to it, but you will see progress faster than you think. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.